Hey guys, this is Dave with Apex-Used-Appliance-Control-Boards.com. I'm just going to show you guys real quick a couple things to look for when you're buying a control board. The number one question we get is, how do I know if the control board is that it's in my oven is working or not? So we're going to sneak around behind here and show you real quickly how to test your control board before having to purchase one, and hopefully this gets you on the right path. Alright, first things first, what we got to do is get behind the oven and take the back cover off, and we're going to show you how to get that off right now. Basically on this one it's just a couple Phillips screwdriver screws to take off, and pretty easy. I'll show you how to do that now.
So you're just going to take the Phillips, remove this, that one, and then it has three, take these three out and these three out, and it should just be able to pop out. Just get the flat. That's the way you can take it out.
Alright, so now we can get to the back of the oven, and we'll show you the test that you need to do with a voltmeter. Check for the proper voltage before you buy a control board. Okay guys, so the first thing I want to do is just show you a couple things that you need to look at to make sure that you're getting the proper voltage in your oven. So first things first, I got a voltmeter here. It's set on volts AC, and we're just going to go right down here to the terminal block and check for the proper voltage coming into the unit. Right now the black one from your meter set on the white wire, the center wire, that's neutral for your appliance. And then each side of this, you should get 120 volts line AC. So 120 there and 120 here. Again, this appliance is plugged in, so just be careful. This is live voltage, so if you're nervous about that, you should probably call a professional in to do this. But then from here to here, you're going to get 210, 220 volts combined AC. This is the most basic check that you need to do before you start looking for any voltage in the control board. Now, if the control board is blank and it's not functioning at all, this is what we're going to test for. First things first is this black wire coming into your control board here. This is AC. This is line 1, and you're going to look for power here, 120 volts. If you have 120 volts and this is not lighting up, it's not no display, then the problem is your control board, and you'll have to take that out and replace it. That is the problem with your appliance. You're getting 120 AC in, no display, the control board is bad and you need to replace it. Okay guys, around front now, we have display on this board, so we know we're getting 120 volts to it. We checked the power in the back. It's getting the proper voltage. Now we're just going to put it in bake, and we're going to check. If you're not getting bake or you're not getting broiled, this is how we test those functions to make sure that we need a control board and not something else down the line. So we're just going to come in here, hit bake, and start. And I already have the meter set up on the back, and I'm going to go ahead and show you where to check this now. Right here at this red wire, red lead here, your black one's still down there to the center wire neutral. Got 120 volts here with the relay being clicked on and off. So switch power to the control board, and you'll see that go down. So the bake relay is working on this control board. The control board is working. Then I'm just going to come up right here and go to this wire, the black wire, I'm sorry, the blue wire, and that's for broil. So again, we're going to come over here, put in broil now, press start. You're going to hear an audible click for the relay, and then check for 120 volts here. If you're getting that and your oven's not working, bake or broil's not working, control board is working and something else going on with the element or a fuse or something else or thermostat, but it's not the control board. So those are the most basic things we can check before ordering a control board. Hope that helps you guys out, and we look forward to showing you more videos.